How's it going, everyone? My name's Ethan, and I'm the founder of LSN Solutions. I wanted to put this video together for you to answer all the questions that you had in your mind about how we work, what our program is, what our strategy is, and how we're going to get you the best results possible. All right, so right now I'm going to just cover a couple of different policies that we've helped our clients sell in the past couple months. So for example, this one right here, $23,000 for a pizzeria, $1,400 for a village grill, $3,200 for a grill, $2,000 for another restaurant. Average commission was 12.5%. They made in profit, $4,000. Let me show you another one. This was $7,900 annual premium. This one was a $7,500 premium. This one was a nice $50,000 premium. This was a big restaurant policy. They had a ton of different workers. They owned the building. They had liquor liability, all that kind of stuff. This was a $7,500 policy, $2,200 policy. Let's see right here, $1,300 policy. And he was working on getting some more of the policies, cross-selling them into covering their tools and other things that they needed. This one here, he just closed another construction company. This one was a $2,900 policy, a $1,500 policy. This one of our clients here said, thanks a ton. I've reached out to all the leads. I have follow-up calls at 12 and 1. Also sent out an email requesting additional info. It looks like some good leads, good stuff. This person sold a GL policy today for a roofing company, and that roofing company referred him to another roofer today. $11,000 sold. Let's see, working on two more, three combined for $50,000. Another restaurant here for $18,000. $3,500 sold. Waiting on two big ones, $16,000, $27,000, $7,000. Let's see, another $1,700 policy, another $2,000 policy, another, let's see right here, $2,900 policy, $7,000 GL, $8,000 commercial auto, $8,000 workers comp. So I'm telling you, we've got the results to back up what we say. And if you're looking to get the next ones, I'll show you how exactly we do it. I'm going to go over the client criteria that we have for our clients to make sure that they're going to get the best results possible. So usually what we see is agents in two different buckets here. So the first bucket are those who are looking to diversify and improve their lead channels. So these are the types of agencies who are usually a little bit bigger. They already have a channel in place. Maybe they're cold calling. Maybe they're buying Facebook ads or Google ads. And they're getting some results, but they're just looking to either diversify or bring in more. The other bucket is those who are looking for more predictable and consistent growth. Those are those agencies who are only relying on referrals, only relying on word of mouth to grow, which has gotten them to where they are now. But referrals and word of mouth, some months might get more, some months you might get less. So you're really looking to smooth out that curve and make sure you get consistent and predictable growth. Here's how our system works. First thing we gotta do is figure out what your appetite is. So what types of businesses that you actually want to go after. So for example, like plumbers, electricians, artisan contractors, restaurants, doctors, salon owners, all those types of people that you want to target, we're going to get a list of those business owners. Then once we have that list that we will put together for you, we're going to reach out to them on your behalf. We do this through email. That's the channel that we've really mastered and we've seen work the best because we're able to get very narrow and very targeted for who you want to reach out to. And also we can get right in front of them. The way we set up our emails, we're not hitting spam folders, we're not hitting promotion folders, we're getting right to the inbox so that way the decision maker can see that email and see if they're interested. From there, the goal is really just to get a quote request and generate interest. That's when the business owner says, yes, I'm interested in insurance. Once they say that and reply back to us, which I'll show you a couple of those different replies in a minute here, we're gonna connect you with that person and you and your producers are gonna go ahead and start the quoting process and get that policy out to them. So like I was saying before, here are a bunch of the positive responses and quote requests that we're receiving. So for example, this business owner here said, yes, we have a 2023 Ford Transit Connect, so we just want liability on. Looks like the one below, let me know, thanks. Give me a call, I'd be interested in a quote. I have 3 personal vehicles, home, rental, business property. I also have rental property, would like some more information with their contact information. I need a quote for a maid service company with the following see attached where they actually send the deck pages over. Give me a call at this number. Feel free to discuss. Over here, I'm interested. Give me a call when you can, or let's set up a virtual meeting next week. So all of these are the email positive replies that we're receiving to the messages that we're sending out on your behalf. This person said, looking for a GL quote for marine construction, excavation, along with 5 vehicles. We'd be interested in a vehicle quote. What do you need? What do you need from me to quote my business? Yes, American Family just canceled our liability. We're looking for another option. Need 1 million, 2 million aggregate GL for Texas. I'm the owner. My payroll is about this much, and it's only me. I use subs, and they're just giving a ton of information for you to give them a call and put that quote together for them. And I've got tons, and I can scroll through this, tons and tons of I'm interested in a quote. I'm interested in a quote. Give me a quote. Hi, I'm actually looking for business insurance for 1 restaurant and 1 bar with renewals due in September. Please let me know what information you need from me for a quote. I'd like to get a quote from you. Are you able to talk today after 4? So these are the types of responses that our clients are getting on a daily basis. So all these types of business owners are looking for a quote, and we're going to connect you just with them. So how do we source our lead lists? Well, first off, we built a software that's pretty much a data aggregator. So it pulls from various sources such as Google My Business profiles, licensing databases, Facebook pages, websites, all over the internet to make sure that we get the most up-to-date contact information for the appetite that you're trying to reach out to. We're also able to filter it down based on company size, how long they've been in business, how many reviews they have, to give us some indicators to make sure that we're reaching out to the people that you actually want to get in contact with. So do we share leads? We do not share leads. Everything that we do is all exclusive, and to maintain that exclusivity, we only take on a certain number of agents in each state. You may be asking yourself, how are you different than any other thing I've tried in the past? Well, first of all, our strategy is very narrow and targeted. So we're only reaching out to businesses that you actually want to do business with. So every person that you speak with is going to be in your appetite. Also, there's a little more friction in the way that we actually reach out to these businesses. So for example, if you've tried cold calling or SEO forums or Facebook ads or Google ads, there's not really much of a process that needs to be gone through in order for them to actually say that they're interested. They just go to a website or they see an ad, they autofill their information. There's not much interest there, so you usually get lower quality, lower intent prospects. With the way that we operate, we're emailing these businesses, and when you think about how they're generated, they have to go to their email. There's probably get tons of emails during the day. They have to click on the subject line that actually compels them enough. They have to open that email. They've got to read through it. They've got to hit reply. They've got to reply back. They got to type up their response. They got to hit send. So there's a little bit more friction in that process, which leads to a lot higher quality prospects. Also, we don't have a bank of leads or anything like that. Everything we do is generated in real time, so it's all up-to-date businesses who are looking for insurance. So how scalable is our process? Our process is super scalable. Whether you're a solo agent, whether you have 2 producers, 4 producers, 5 producers, 10 producers, even 15 producers, we're able to help you out. Because at the end of the day, it's really just a matter of getting in front of more businesses and making sure that people actually know who you are and know that you exist. So the way we would scale it up or scale it back is by just turning up that faucet and getting in front of more business owners, or dialing it back a little bit, getting in front of less business owners. So another advantage to using our system is that you're going to have predictable and consistent quality, high intent prospects that you're always being able to reach out to. So you smooth out that curve of some months you might have more, some months you might have less, kind of that referral roller coaster there. We're able to smooth that out and have consistent growth month over month. In addition, if you're hiring or looking to hire soon, it's a lot more attractive, and it makes your agency a lot more attractive when you can say, hey, we've got this proven process. Come onto our team. We have a proven way to get you in front of business owners, to constantly get you on the phone, constantly get you quotes, constantly get you people to talk to. And that in itself makes your agency a lot more attractive, so you can hire and retain better talent. So I hope that answered all of your questions. If you have any other questions, shoot me a text, shoot me an email. I'll be sure to answer them. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the call.